Okay, now we go on. Questions 10 and 11. Double multiple choice question. Which two advantages of using newer buildings for green roofs are mentioned? Underline two advantages. Underline newer buildings and green roofs are mentioned in paragraph C. Wow, that's good, huh? They've just told us. Now go to paragraph C and look for newer buildings. Paragraph C and look for newer buildings. Okay, that's right. Fourth line, and we've got the word newer buildings there, new buildings, okay? Now I'm reading it from there. So the question is, which two advantages of using newer buildings of green roofs are mentioned? Now what will we do? First we'll find two advantages here, and then we will match these advantages over there. Now let's go on. We read it from there, paragraph C, and I'm reading it from third line. Have helped push the movement forward. Only recent San Francisco, USA created a policy requiring new buildings to have green roofs. Toronto, Canada has policies detailing from the 1990s. Okay. All right. Now let's see. We go on. These countries also benefit. Found it? These countries also benefit from having newer building. Now answer will come. It was not new building, it was newer buildings. Then in many parts of the world, which makes it easier to install green roofs. Now, being able to keep enough water at roof height, benefit number one. What is benefit number one? Being able to keep enough water at roof height. Benefit number two, distribute it right across the rooftop is crucial, right, to maintaining the plants on any green roof, especially on edible roofs where fruit and vegetables are farmed. And then they say, and it's much easier to do this in newer buildings which can typically hold greater weight than to retrofit old ones. Okay, now let's go on. And we see which two advantages have they mentioned over here of these buildings. All right. Question option A, a longer growing season for edible produce. No, leave it. More economical use of water. They talked about water, but they did not talk about economical use of water. Now those who do not understand, they will say water, water, good. Correct answer B. IELTS, no problem. Okay. Option C, greater water storage capacity. Exactly. Where have they mentioned that? Yeah, enough water at roof height. Yeah, that's the first correct answer here, right? And then let's read on. Ability to cultivate more plant types. Have you read? Okay, just read on. Yeah, last line of same paragraph. Having a stronger roof also makes it easier to grow a greater variety of plants. Well done. Greater variety of plants means ability to cultivate more plant types. So, correct answer is option C and option D. Very good. Got it? Now we go on, questions 12 and 13. Which two aims, underline two aims, which two aims of new variations on the concept of green roofs are mentioned? Two aims, new variations. Okay, now look here, try to understand the question. Green roof is one concept. There may be another concept. For example, one is green roof. Second concept can be that you have solar plates on your roof. That's second concept. Third concept, there can be something like that. Okay, so variation is like, they say here, two aims of new variations on the concept of green roofs are mentioned in paragraph E. Now listen, just like green roof, they will talk about two more things. So let's see what are they. Paragraph E. So everyone please come to paragraph E. Good. Fourth line, and we have the word new variations. Got it? We will read from there. So if you scan it, it will save your time. If you start reading from the beginning, by the time you come to new variations, you will have lost a minute or so. So try to scan, and when you reach the right part, then you can read. Okay, new variations in the concept. For example, blue roofs. Now one was green roof, and second is blue roofs enable buildings to hold water over longer periods of time. So second variation is blue roof, and what does that do? Hold water for longer period of time rather than draining it away quickly. Crucial in times of heavier rainfall, there are also combinations of green roofs with solar panels. Now these are variations. Blue roof for water, solar panels for energy, and brown roofs which are wilder in nature and maximize biodiversity. Brown roof, actually it attracts birds, they start living there and all that. Okay, now we will keep these ideas in mind and we go back. Option A, to provide habitats for a wide range of species. Yes, brown roof. For that they have brown roof. Okay, go back and read again. Brown roof, maximize biodiversity. Biodiversity means different species of plants and animals and all that. Okay, so first correct answer is A. Option B, to grow plants successfully even in the wettest climate. No. Option C, to regulate the temperature of the immediate environment. No. Well done. Option D, to generate power from a sustainable source. Now what is sustainable source? Solar. And generate power. So second correct answer is option D. Okay, just go back and see. There are also combinations of green roofs with solar panels. Now what is sustainable power source? Sustainable means that doesn't cost anything. For example, if you run a generator, generator needs fuel. But when you use solar plates, it doesn't need any fuel. Wind energy, it doesn't need any fuel. We call it sustainable, or we use another one, renewable energy. Exactly. Okay. So correct answer is option A and option D. Good.